need a piece of mind. Girl, I need a piece of yours. We make music every time, let's make some chords. This our little secret.
What's up, y'all? It's DeSade, and we back at it again with the back at it again. Now, I don't have room for an intro, so we're going to jump right in. I'm going to do my brows really simple. The first thing I'm going to do is outline my brows. You basically just draw a line under your brow, and then you're going to brush them downwards, like all of the hairs down, put a line on top, and then I'm going to like brush it up while spinning the spoolie to get rid of that harsh line that's under the brow. And then any like blank little sparse area you see, just going to go in and do small hair-like strokes, like all the way until you get down to the tail of your brow. And that's it. I'm not going to conceal around my eyebrows or anything to clean it up, because I don't know, I'm just obsessed with this whole bushy eyebrow, I don't care to grow on my face kind of thing. I don't know, it's like a little stage I'm going through right now. And then I'm going to take a stick foundation and basically just draw all over my face, honey. It doesn't matter. Let your creativity flow when you do this, okay? And then I'm going to take a lighter liquid foundation to basically get the shade that best suit me. Because you all know I did go to the dermatologist. My eczema has cleared up. So my overall skin tone is lighter, it's brighter. I got a yellow undertone. Who knew? I didn't. And now I'm taking my Estee Lauder foundation brush. I'm just basically going to brush down up on my face to mix in the liquid foundation with the stick foundation. And it just, you know, make everything even. I don't really know. Like, makeup tutorials is hard for me. Like, what do I say? You're just going to brush this down your face. Don't forget your ear, okay? Don't have your face one color, then your ear another color, then your neck another color. No. When I wear makeup, I do my face, my neck, my ear. And if I wear a bun, I'm doing the back of my neck. Like, you're not going to clock me, period. You ain't going to sneak up at me. Oh, she bad up on Instagram, but look at her in person. No, ma'am. No. So basically, to sum everything up, I'm just basically mixing it all in until you get one shade. You know, you want to mix the liquid foundation with the actual stick foundation. Just get one shade and just brush it all over your face to get an even layer. It's like painting your wall. You don't paint here, paint there, and be like, okay, I'm done. No, you want everything to be nice. What do YouTubers say? Evenly distributed across your face. I'm a YouTuber. I said evenly distributed across your face. Drip, drop, drip, drippity, drop. She doing all day. Girl, you so lying. That's why you got all subscribers. To get a more natural look, I am going to come behind the foundation brush with a beauty blender, because it absorbs some of the foundation and it helps to really press it into your skin and just bond everything together. So yeah, you don't have to do this, but I like to do this because today I'm going for a more natural look. So y'all know I put the foundation on my face first and blended it in, and then I came back and did my neck. So now I'm just showing you that I'm going like back and forth to make sure that that is like one seamless thing. You know, I don't want you to be able to see, okay, that's where the line ends up on her face and then that's where it began up on her neck. Like, no, I want everything to be seamless. So that's what we doing. What is that? Bro, why is my tooth always, look, my tooth gonna be making a special appearance throughout this whole video probably, so just excuse it, okay? She trying to get started in my video. She want to be famous. Now we're going to take a lighter shade and apply it under our eyes to our forehead and a dab on our chin to add dimension to our face, because even when you don't have on makeup, your skin naturally have different colors within it. I'm using a liquid foundation when I do this because it's easier to blend out and it gives you a more like subtle natural look. But if I use a concealer, instead of allowing it to sit on my face a little bit, soon as I apply it, I'm going to blend it out so that it's thinner. If you allow concealer to sit, everybody knows it's going to get stiff, and that's how you get that real full coverage nighttime look. And we're not really going for that, at least not in this video. Now we're going to contour our face, and as you all can see, I am starting off light and we're going to build up the coverage. I don't just want to go in and smack mud on the side of our face. That's not what we're doing. We're going for a more natural look. So I'm just going back and forth between the contour and the bronzer, and then I'm just blending it all out so everything looks natural, so I look like I was naturally born with high cheeks. To add a little shape to our face, we are going to go in with a bronzer and apply it to our jawline just to give us a nice subtle chiseled look. Normally I do love a nice harsh little, can't explain, I just love when people have those features. I do not have them, so I'm going to fake them. And for the eyes, I like to keep it simple. I'm just going to go in with like a nice soft brown that's close to my skin tone. I'm going to apply it for like my transition shade. I don't know, that's just what everybody say do, so I'm doing that. And then I'm going to put a darker shade in my crease to darken it up, just to warm it up, I guess. And then I'm basically going to take like a gold color and just smack that on the lid and blend all of it out. Oh, and also when I blend out like the crease, like where I apply a dark part, it's like a nice chocolatey color. I'm going to use that to blend it out too, because it's more natural, like to soften it up. So they're basically some of my eye look. I don't know how to explain eyes. I do the exact same look every time I do my makeup. We're going to use a loose powder to set our under eye so that it stay all day. And we're going to apply it with a damp beauty blender to avoid the whole powdery look. I got this tip from Kylie Jenner a long time ago on Snapchat. She just posted saying that if you want a more natural look, to apply it with a damp beauty blender. If you have any powder left over, just brush it away with a fluffy brush, and then you can come behind it with the beauty blender to make everything look more natural. To finish off this look, I'm going to apply a couple coats of mascara. I never really wear false lashes, so I'm just applying a couple coats to make my natural lash appear longer than what it really is. And a tip for those of you who like get mascara on your lid, try to apply the mascara to your bottom lashes first, because if you apply it to your top lashes and then go straight to the bottom, the mascara isn't dry on your top lash. So when you hold your head down to apply the bottom mascara, apply the mascara to your bottom lash, your actual like top lashes are touching the lid, and that's how you mess up. So when you do the bottom first and then the top, you don't have to hold your head down to do anything, so you allow it to dry, therefore it doesn't transfer to your lid. And now we're going to use contour to bring back the shape of our nose. And I do mine really simple. It's easy. Just take your contour, go down the side of your nose, and then you're going to do like a little V up under your nose to give you that button effect. And then you're also going to apply contour under your nostrils and on top of your nostrils. Blend it out so it's not really harsh. We're trying to be like natural today, so just make sure you blend it out. When a lot of people apply the shimmer, they go down the bridge of their nose all the way down to the tip. But I don't do that because the light doesn't hit your entire nose all at once. But to get a more natural look, we're going to make an exclamation mark on our nose, put a little bit on the bridge, and then a dab at the tip to make your nose appear to shoot upwards. Alright, and for my lips, I do like to keep it simple. I just applied 3 dots to my bottom lip, blend it out with my finger, and mash my lips together to allow that color to transfer to the top lip. And instead of using setting spray, I'm just going to use tissue and blot my entire face to absorb any powder or foundation that I have left over. And this is basically my finished look. I hope you all like it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It doesn't matter. Just engage with me. And that is it. Thank you all for watching. Bye.
Whoa, okay. Whoa, Holiday. Wait, hold on, Holiday.
Okay, I'm going to start including this in the end of all of my videos because all of you think that I disabled my comments, but no, YouTube actually disabled my comments. So that's why I put the article on the screen so you all can read it. It's basically to protect minors. So the comments on my videos, along with millions of other videos, have been disabled to basically protect minors, because as we all know, I do include Lincoln in a lot of my videos, and I don't know, maybe I was harassing him in the comment section, you know, just talking bad about him, so YouTube disabled the comments. But don't feel sad. I know it's a bummer. Even though you all can't comment on my video, I kind of found the way around it. All you have to do is visit my channel. It's DeSade. And once you're on my channel, you're going to click on the community tab. And every time I upload a video, I'm going to post like the thumbnail of that video, just letting you all know that I have a new video on my channel. And then you can just comment under that and like it and do whatever you want to do. So yeah, I hope this is easy for you all to catch on to. But thank you all for your support, and thanks for watching my videos. Bye.